Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you the process of making any corrections to the attendance in Saral PayPack. Correction in attendance will arise when attendance have been tracked wrongly. This can be explained as leave is applied for an employee for a working day or vice versa. Also, in case of wrong leave total, the correction will be required. The correction process is called leave adjustment. To start the process, go to attendance and then leave tracking. Under leave tracking, there are multiple registers. For each register, there is leave adjustment option. Here we will see the process in daily register. Select leave adjustment under daily register attendance structure. In the leave adjustment window, select the month of correction and you can see all the employees assigned to the register. The employees list can also be listed based on the leave type on which correction is required. Let us consider that an employee has availed 2 EL in the selected month but is not updated during the time of leave tracking. In such a case, select the employee who has availed the leaves and update the EL under the Avail column. Update any remark if required and close. To view the changes, go to Leave Summary. Select the month, attendance and then leave type. Now view the summary of the employee for whom the adjustment was done. You can see that 2 leaves are shown in negative value under adjusted column and the leave balance is also reduced. This completes the process of correction of attendance in Saral PayPack. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.